Here is an X10 appliance module that was working in 2009 but is no longer working, and I'm going to convert it to be a Z-Wave device. There are 4 screws that need to be undone. This one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to take them out now. Okay, I've removed the 4 screws and pulled the casing apart, and you can see the X10 module and relay. All of that X10 stuff needs to come out, but the wires that connect the piggy-back plug need to stay where they are, with the longest length of wire possible retained. Okay, there's stage 1 with the wires cut. I'm now going to remove the circuit boards. Here we see the circuit boards removed. Those are the 2 X10 circuit boards. Over here we've got the module that I'm going to put in. I need to remove the casing from that so that it'll fit inside here. To do that, you push in the corners here, and there's the module that's going to be used inside the box, designed for the case. And what we need to do is to connect up the wires. Now you're seeing the view after I've completed the wiring. Before assembling the casing, you need to be aware that there's a small switch down here which is used to activate the Z-Wave board. So I'm going to connect up to the power now and pair the Z-Wave board to the Z-Wave USB stick. So that means putting the USB stick into pairing mode and pressing that button. Here's the Z-Wave converted module, and down here we've got a small LED that will flash to show that it's on paired, and a small micro switch that you press to start the pairing process. Here's my USB module for pairing with, that plugs into the computer. 1 press to put it into pairing mode, slow flash. Turn on the power. We've now got a flashing LED to show that it's looking for the USB. Now we press the little micro switch again. 1 press. Solid blue light followed by flashing, and solid red light to show that it's paired. Now I can press this once, put it back into the computer. Before I close up the case, notice that the wires have been pushed down into the slots. It's a slightly fiddly process, but you need to do it in order to put the cover on. What I do now is I remove the sticky label from the back of the rehabilitation module and put it on the back of the converted Z-Wave module. You'll notice that it's actually an Aeon Lab module with a rehabilitation sticker on it, which I've put on here with the appropriate voltages, maximum currents, etc. Okay, there's the completed module. You'll notice that there are 2 holes in the front. I cover those up with Dymo tape with a label. Here's the completed device. I've blocked up the X10 holes using a sticker that says Z-Wave, and I've covered the part that says X10 in the upper panel with a sticker that says Device 10.